Danny Lennon, 3-1 away to Kilmarnock. It's a classy way to finish off the season.
Yeah, I thought the result was absolutely terrific, and I had a performance to match that. I felt over the last few weeks, maybe month, we lost our way a little bit, but our identity certainly came back today, and I'm absolutely delighted to be sending the players away for a well-deserved summer break, and for our fans also. It was a great send-off for them, and we knew that we would turn out in their numbers to thank the players for their efforts and that wonderful piece of history and the memories of the cup final this season. And it was important that we thanked them today, and it was in a manner, in the way that we didn't treat this game as an end-of-season game that was just going to fizzle out. I thought there was a proper tempo to it, and as I say, we certainly had our identity back, and I'm absolutely delighted we could deliver that for the fans. So I've been absolutely terrific this season.
It was really exciting to see two first-team debuts, and also John McGinn, who's been brilliant all season, getting his first SPL goal.
Yeah, it was terrific for John. I just said that prior to the game, that he was running out of games this season, so it was a terrific finish for him, and it's been a big season for John, and he'll relish and he'll kick on from that again next season. It was also terrific for the young boy, young Mo and Anton, to come on and do get their senior debuts. Anton creating the penalty for us did terrific, and to get young Jack on in it. Throughout the game, I think we had 7 under-20 players on the pitch there, and Kilmarnock also having good quality youngsters in there, and that is absolutely terrific for Scottish football, that these youngsters are getting bloody through, and long may that continue for our game.
Absolutely. And just finally, the fans were in fine voice, sang all the way through the game. What would your message be to them today?
Yeah, it was just to thank them for all their efforts, and it's quite an emotional day. There's players there today that will have played their last game for St Mirren Football Club. What we certainly have identified over the last turn of the year is there's 5 or 6 things there that myself and my staff have analysed, and that we're working hard and will continue to work through the close season and through the pre-season to make sure that we get that right. And there is going to be new faces at the club that will excite the fans. So once again, thanks for all your patience, and I look forward to the new campaign together.